मुझको तो ये दुनिया नजर आती है दिगरगू, मुझको तो ये दुनिया नजर आती है दिगरगू, मालूम नहीं देखती है तेरी नजर क्या, मालूम नहीं देखती है तेरी नजर क्या। हर सीने में एक सुबह कयामत है नमूदार, हर सीने में एक सुबह कयामत है नमूदार, अफकार जवानों के हुए ज़ेर ज़बर क्या। Honorable President, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic of discussion is the constructive role of youth in nation building. Mr. President, we cannot build the future for our youth, but we can build the youth for our future. It is well known fact that the youth of any country is a great asset. They are indeed the future of the country and represent it at every level. The role of youth in nation building is more important than you might think. In other words, the intelligence and worth of the youth will take the country on the path of success. And every citizen is equally responsible. The youth is too. They are the building blocks of the country. Mr. President, the youth is important because they will be our future. Today, they might be our partners. Tomorrow, they will go on to become leaders. The youth are very energetic and enthusiastic. They have the ability to learn and adapt to the environment. Similarly, they are willing to learn and act on it as well to achieve their goals. Mr. President, the youth play a great role in nation building. It has the power to help a country develop and move toward progress. It is also responsible for bringing social reform within a country. The youth of a country determine the future of a nation. Mr. President, हुक्कामी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, हुक्कामी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नजर आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में. Mr. President, as we all know, youth is facing too many problems nowadays. We need to give them equal opportunities in every field so they can succeed well. They must be given all the facilities and also encouraged to take the challenge to achieve success. Mr. President, there are many ways in which we can help the youth of our country to achieve their potential. For that, the government must introduce programs that will help in fighting off issues like unemployment, poor education institutes, and more to help them prosper without any hindrance. Mr. President, in short, our youth has the power to build a nation. So we must give them the opportunities. They are the future and they have the perspective. With the older generation like their zeal and enthusiasm must be generalized properly to help a nation prosper and flourish. उस कौम को शमशीर की आदत नहीं रहती, उस कौम को शमशीर की आदत नहीं रहती, और जिसके जवानों की खुदी सूरत फौलाद. Thank you very much.